I booked a cruise for almost $0 using reward points, and in this video I'm going to walk you through exactly how I did it, step by step. Most men over 40 want to travel more, but everything feels expensive. Bills, work, kids, responsibilities, and holidays get pushed to later, and later never comes. Travel starts to feel like a luxury, not a lifestyle. Most people believe travel has to drain your bank account, but what if the problem isn't the travel, but the system you are using to pay for it? Because the truth is, you don't need to be rich, retired, or child-free to travel more. You just need a system that works with your life, not against it. I use this system to book a Mediterranean cruise for almost nothing out of pocket. And I did it without posting online, using credit card tricks, or doing anything complicated. Here's exactly what I'm going to break down: the reward point system, how I unlocked free membership, how my wife and I stacked points, how I booked the cruise, and how you can eventually travel using reward points only. By the end, you will understand exactly how this works. And honestly, this system changed the way I look at travel forever. Let me show you how it works. The Travel Club has three simple membership tiers: Starter, which is $50 per month; Classic, which is $100 per month and you get 200 reward points; and Premium, $250 per month and gives you 500 reward points. You are not buying holidays, you are building reward points. And last two gives you double value in reward points automatically. Simple, predictable, no tricks. It acts like a travel piggy bank, except it grows twice as fast, and it forces consistency, which most men over 40 struggle with. Pick a tier, stay consistent, and let the points build. That's it. But this alone isn't what changed everything for me. This next step is where the system becomes crazy powerful. When your team reaches $500 in total monthly membership volume, you unlock free membership. Meaning you pay $0, but you still receive reward points every month. Free membership, pure profit. You are no longer swapping money for points, and you are getting points for free. This is the game changer. I share the system with a couple of people. They share it with a couple of more. Soon our team reached $500 per month in total volume, even more. And then my membership became free, my wife's membership became free, and we both continued receiving 200 reward points monthly, meaning 400 reward points every month at zero cost. That was the moment everything changed. But getting points is one thing. What you do with them is where the real magic happens. 400 reward points dropped into our account every single month, without us paying anything. Points turn into travel, and consistency beats intensity. Most men fail because they quit too early. This system rewards patience. Every month you get 400 reward points. So after 12 months you get in almost 5,000 reward points. You look back one day and think, wait, this is enough for a real cruise, and even for two. And that's exactly what happened. Because this next part, this is the moment everything becomes real. Using reward points to bring a cruise cost down to almost nothing. Seeing a price drop from hundreds to almost zero is life-changing. It proves the system works. We searched for a Mediterranean cruise, picked the dates, and applied our reward points. And watched the price drop and drop and drop. Everything was covered by reward points we earned without paying monthly. That moment felt like freedom. And if you want to take this even further, the next step is where full travel freedom begins. Once you reach certain level, you are allowed to book cruises using reward points only, as long as you have saved enough. This is the path to full travel freedom. It's not fast, it's not instant, but it is possible, especially for men who stay consistent. Keep helping people, keep stacking points, follow the simple plan and hit certain level. Book cruises with reward points alone. If you are over 40, you already know, time isn't unlimited. Your health won't always be this good, your energy won't always be this high. Your kids won't always want to travel with you. So the real question isn't, can I afford to travel? It's, can I afford not to? This system helps you travel more, without financial stress, without guilt, and without sacrificing your responsibilities. That's why this hit me so hard. Here's what this actually looks like. You help a few people, your membership becomes free, reward points stack, you book your first cruise for almost nothing, you keep going. Maybe if you want, you can hit certain level and now you are booking cruises using reward points only. Your life starts to look very different. Not hype, not magic, just math plus consistency. I booked a cruise for almost $0 using reward points, and you now understand exactly how the system works. Travel doesn't need to be expensive, especially for men over 40 juggling work, bills, and family. If you want more travel, more memories, and more freedom, this system can help you get there, starting today. If you want the exact steps I used, including the system, the timeline, and how to start building your own reward points plan, send me a message on Instagram or Facebook and just say, Miro, show me how this works. No pressure, just a real conversation between those who want more out of life.